Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Summit S-470 gas grills, right?
Yep, let's dive in. First off, the Nexgrill is way more affordable, around $265, while the Weber is a whopping $2,300.
Huge price difference. So what do you get for all that extra cash with the Weber?
Well, the Weber is significantly bigger. It boasts 580 square inches of cooking space compared to the Nexgrill's 401. That's a big plus if you're regularly grilling for a crowd. And it has 4 burners versus Nexgrill's 2, pushing out 48,800 BTUs compared to Nexgrill's 28,000 BTU.
So more power and more space. Makes sense. What about build quality?
The Weber definitely feels more premium. It uses heavier-duty stainless steel throughout, including the cooking grates. The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good, but not quite as durable, long-term.
Durability is key. What about special features?
The Weber is loaded. It has a side burner, a sear station burner, a smoker burner with a smoker box, and even a rear-mounted infrared rotisserie burner, plus lighted control knobs and a fuel gauge. The Nexgrill is more basic, with foldable side tables being its standout feature.
The Weber sounds like a grilling Swiss Army knife. But all those features, are they really necessary?
Depends on your grilling style. If you're just doing burgers and dogs, the Nexgrill is probably fine. But if you want to smoke ribs, sear steaks like a pro, and have all the bells and whistles, the Weber is the way to go. It also has a rotisserie, which might be useful.
Gotcha. So Nexgrill is a budget-friendly, simple option, while Weber is the high-end, feature-packed choice. What about portability?
The Nexgrill is easier to move. It has smooth rolling casters. The Weber is heavier and bulkier. It also has casters. But moving it around might be a bit more of a chore.
Okay, that pretty much sums it up. Ultimately, it comes down to budget and how serious you are about grilling.
Exactly. A casual griller will love the Nexgrill. The Weber is for the grill master.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.